answer some time ago. Yeah.
Now I want to take that and say, no, would you say it was... Now really, Tito, I can take it. After all, I am a professional.
Oh my God! A professional!
You don't think so?
No, I do, I promise.
Well, that's how was I.
I'm trying to remember.
I suppose you're telling me I was no good.
No, you were great. You were unbelievable.
You're just saying that.
No, you were fantastic. It went by so fast, I can hardly remember.
Oh, Tito, do you mean it?
Sure,
Thank God.
he's a professional. You take it pretty serious, huh?
Oh, well, it's all I've ever wanted to be since I was a little girl. Of course, my mother was. And my father was, too. I guess you could say it.
You got something in your blood? No, you'll be fine.
Like, really?
Sure, it is.
Oh, Tito, you have no idea what this means to me coming from you.
Thanks,
I mean, I was so afraid you were disappointed. You could never tell what I was thinking.